Have you been drinking cloves the wrong way all this time? One small mistake that millions of people make can destroy most of their powerful health benefits, but when used correctly, cloves can become one of the strongest natural remedies for your body. Can clove water really improve digestion, strengthen immunity, support liver health, balance blood sugar, and even help with weakness, fertility, and heart disease? Does it truly help reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and support heart health after 50? In today's video, we'll uncover the truth behind cloves, what science says about their real benefits, the right way to prepare and drink them, and the common mistakes you must avoid if you want the full results. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next health video. 1. Improves digestion and reduces bloating. Cloves are one of the best natural helpers for digestion because they increase digestive enzymes and improve food breakdown in the stomach. Many people over 50 struggle with slow digestion, heaviness after meals, gas, acidity, and bloating. Clove water may help reduce these problems by supporting better stomach function and reducing harmful bacteria in the digestive tract. Its natural compound, eugenol, may also calm irritation in the stomach lining and reduce discomfort after eating. Some people also notice less constipation because digestion becomes smoother. Drinking warm clove water in the morning may help the body feel lighter and improve daily digestive comfort naturally. 2. Strengthens immunity and helps fight infections. Cloves contain strong antioxidants and natural antibacterial compounds that help protect the body from infections and damage caused by free radicals. As we age, the immune system becomes weaker, making it easier to catch colds and illnesses. Clove water may help strengthen the body's defense system by supporting white blood cell activity and reducing stress on the immune system. It also has antiviral and antifungal properties that may help fight harmful bacteria naturally. Many people use cloves during seasonal changes to support throat health and reduce mild cough. Regular use may help the body stay stronger and recover faster, especially after 50. 3. Supports liver health and natural detoxification. The liver works every day to remove toxins, process fats, and support energy production. Cloves may help protect the liver because they contain antioxidants like eugenol that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress inside liver tissues. This is helpful for people with fatty liver, poor eating habits, or frequent medicine use. Clove water may support natural detoxification by helping the liver work more efficiently instead of forcing harsh detox methods. Some studies suggest cloves may support healthier liver enzyme activity. When used in moderation, clove water may help reduce tiredness and support stronger internal cleansing naturally. 4. Helps balance blood sugar levels. Cloves may help people with blood sugar problems because they can improve how the body uses insulin and handles glucose. After 40, and especially after 50, many people face insulin resistance, cravings, and energy crashes without realizing it. Clove water may support better blood sugar control by slowing sudden sugar spikes after meals and helping the body process carbohydrates more efficiently. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also reduce internal stress linked to diabetes complications. While cloves are not a replacement for treatment, they can be a helpful natural support when combined with healthy eating and regular movement. 5. Helps relieve prostate problems and urinary discomfort. Many older men deal with prostate discomfort, frequent urination, weak urine flow, and pressure in the lower abdomen. Cloves may help support prostate health because of their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Chronic inflammation often increases urinary discomfort, and cloves may help calm that irritation naturally. Their antioxidant content may also protect tissues from long-term stress and damage. Warm clove water may support better urinary comfort and reduce mild inflammation linked to prostate strain. While cloves cannot replace medical treatment, they may help as a gentle daily support when used correctly. 6. Helps manage blood pressure. Naturally, high blood pressure becomes common after 50 and often develops without clear symptoms. Cloves may help support healthier blood pressure because they contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that improve blood vessel function and blood circulation, Better circulation reduces pressure on the arteries and helps the heart work more efficiently. Cloves may also reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to blood pressure imbalance. Drinking clove water in moderation may support better vascular health naturally. Although cloves are not a substitute for medicine, they can be a useful daily support with healthy lifestyle habits. 7. Supports heart health and better circulation. Cloves may support heart health by protecting blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing inflammation that puts stress on the heart. As people age, poor blood flow and cholesterol problems increase the risk of heart disease. Cloves contain antioxidants like eugenol that help protect blood vessels from damage and support smoother blood flow. Better circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to move through the body more efficiently, reducing fatigue and improving daily energy. While cloves are not a replacement for heart medicine, regular moderate use may help support stronger heart health and better long-term circulation naturally. 8. Helps reduce weakness and improves energy. Many people believe cloves help reduce weakness because they improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and support overall energy levels. Cloves contain important minerals like manganese and strong antioxidants that help protect body cells and improve daily function. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery throughout the body, which may support stamina and physical strength. Some traditional remedies also use cloves to help with fatigue, low energy, and weakness caused by stress, poor sleep, or aging. While cloves are not a magic cure, regular and balanced use may help improve vitality, stamina, and overall wellness naturally, especially after the age of 50. How to prepare clove water correctly. Take 1 cup of water and add 4 to 5 whole cloves. Lightly crush them first so their natural oils release better. Put them in a small pot, cover it, and boil for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. Keeping it covered helps preserve the beneficial compounds. After boiling, turn off the heat and let it cool for 1 to 2 hours while still covered. Then strain and drink 1 cup daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Avoid drinking it right before bed, as it may disturb sleep in some people. Also, don't overuse. 1 cup a day is enough for best results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment your experience with clove water. Your feedback really helps us understand what topics you want next. Subscribe for more simple and powerful natural health tips that you can easily add into your daily routine. Also, press the notification bell so you never miss any new video. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Stay healthy and take care.